EcoStar 3 Enhanced is an idle mitigation system that includes automatic theft prevention features and engine stop-start features, perfect for delivery vehicles. The system works by detecting the location of the InterMotive fob. The driver can put the transmission in park, take the fob, and leave the vehicle without having to turn off the engine or lock the doors. EcoStar 3 Enhanced automatically does this for you. Plus, it locks the shifter and the ignition key in place. When the driver returns with the fob, the doors will automatically unlock, and the engine will restart when the brake pedal is pressed. The driver can immediately shift out of park and continue on his or her way. If an unauthorized person enters the vehicle without the fob, they will not be able to drive away. The engine will start if the brake pedal is pressed, but the shifter will not move out of park. The ignition key also cannot be removed, so the vehicle can't be stolen or misappropriated.